In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why Kajabi is the best online business building tool that you could ever invest in as a coach, creator, speaker, author, someone who wants to share their knowledge with the world. Starting with number 1, it is one platform for everything. And I genuinely mean everything. This is a massive selling point to Kajabi. You get your website, landing pages, funnels, podcasts, blog, email hosting. It's a CRM, checkout pages, online course hosting, membership sites. The list goes on. It is all included with your Kajabi subscription. One password, one username, everything you could ever need to be successful in the online space in one software. Which leads me to the next reason why Kajabi is the best business tool that you could ever invest in. You get seamless integrations. Because all of the different tools that you need work in the same software, they communicate well together. It gets really tricky when you're using Teachable here and trying to connect it with MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, or using Thinkific over here and then Lead Pages over here, and trying to make sure they all seamlessly connect together. It is a massive headache, and you have to log into each individual tool. It's just not fun. And I know this from experience because I've played with a lot of different tools myself in my own business, and I help clients build out passive income funnels and systems in their own business. So I use a lot of different tools, and not everybody wants to use Kajabi, or they're already using these tools and they want to just use those tools. It's all good, but it's just always more difficult than when people say, actually, I want to use Kajabi. I say, sweet. And then I can relax. I know how to use the tool a lot better. They learn how to use it, and everybody wins. Even though these different tools like Teachable, for example, say we have third-party integrations, you can link your MailChimp or ActiveCampaign to Teachable and host your courses on your website and all this stuff, it is still difficult, and they do not always connect. And honestly, I'm not a huge fan of Teachable or MailChimp, even though they are very popular. They are lower price per month, but it's not really worth it when you factor in all the different headaches that kind of come with it. So on top of everything being included in your Kajabi subscription, having seamless integrations makes our lives as the creator so much easier. And Kajabi also walks you through how to build everything. You say, hey, what do you want to have inside of your offer? What do you want to call this lesson? What do you want to do here? And then you just kind of fill in the blanks, and then Kajabi puts everything together seamlessly for you as you build it. The third reason why Kajabi is the best business building tool is that you get consistent branding. Everything from font styles, elements, and colors can all automatically be set down in the settings tab. So when you decide that you want to add a button somewhere, it's automatically going to be set to your specific branding color. But branding goes way beyond just colors and fonts and the design of your website. Branding is also about the way that your website and company make somebody feel, which is why Kajabi has email templates from cart abandonment, as soon as people sign up for a course, as soon as people complete a course, certifications, the list goes on. You can customize every little bit of how people interact with your brand. And that goes a long way when you're creating and retaining clients and customers in your business. The fourth reason Kajabi is the best business building tool out there is that it's actually more affordable than using other tools. Now, trust me, I hear this all the time. People say, oh, it seems expensive because it's like $150 a month for the monthly plan for like the lowest tier. But again, you have to factor in that you get website, landing pages, opt-in pages, funnels, online course creation, membership sites, email hosting. It's a CRM tool, checkout pages. Like, it literally does everything you could ever need. And if you paid for each one of the different tools that are included in Kajabi, it would cost way more, significantly more than just investing in the one subscription each and every month, or each year if you decide to save a bit of money and do a yearly plan. So yes, it does seem like more money up front, but when you factor in all the other software and tools that you need to build your online business, it's a lot cheaper just to invest in Kajabi. The challenge is that you have to learn how to use Kajabi. That's why I create free trainings to teach you behind the scenes of everything that I have learned in using Kajabi over the years. And it's also why I offer you a free 30-day trial if you decide to try out Kajabi and use my link. Now, if you go through Kajabi's website, you get a 14-day free trial. But if you use my link, it is an affiliate link. So if you decide to sign up with Kajabi after a 30-day trial using my link, a small percentage of your investment just comes over to me for referring someone to Kajabi. But if you use my link or go through Kajabi's website, there's no extra cost to you. The difference is you get twice the amount of time to play with the platform using my link. But on top of that, I give you a free course I made called Kajabi Kickstart that walks you through how to set up and launch your marketing funnel and your entire online business in Kajabi in that 30-day free trial window that you have. On top of that, inside of Kajabi Kickstart, there's a link where you can book a one-to-one coaching call with me, where I'll personally sit down with you and we'll dive into your Kajabi account and answer any questions you have about Kajabi, building an online course, setting up your business, marketing, sales, business goals, whatever it is. I'm there just to pour into you and just to support you. So you get a 30-day trial, a free online course. It's only 5 lessons and walks you through how to set everything up so you can not guess what to do first, second, or third. You just follow the prompts. And you get a one-to-one coaching call with me. It's all totally free. Link in the description, profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. And my 5th and final reason why Kajabi is the best online business building tool that you can invest in is that they have amazing customer support. Kajabi has an amazing help center with really short, concise tutorials that walk you through all different aspects of Kajabi and how to use it. Anytime you're stuck, just watch a couple tutorials and you're set. And if you're on the growth plan, you get 24/7 chat support with real people, not with bots. They do it with real people, connect you with an agent, and then you get to text them, chat with them. And I've been so lost at some points when I'm like setting up my domain that I just gave them my credentials. They logged in, asked for permission and all that. And then they completely set me up and I was good and I could just focus on my business building ventures. The chat support is phenomenal, so I'd highly recommend to consider investing in the growth plan just to take advantage of this chat support feature. And on top of that, as a new user in Kajabi, you get, I believe, 2 one-to-one coaching calls with someone from their staff, and they sit down with you and help you fully set up your business in Kajabi, and they answer any questions you have as well. So if you used my link, you would get a course, 30-day trial, a coaching call from me, but you'd also get coaching calls from Kajabi employees as well. And then last but not least, the Facebook group is incredible. They have done such a great job at building a very strong and clean community on Facebook. I think the Kajabi Hero Facebook group community is the best community on Facebook. Anytime you have a question about anything related to Kajabi, just post inside the group, and in minutes, a flood of people are going to be answering your questions, supporting you, offering you help. They want to see you win. And the reason that this is such a high quality Facebook group is because you can only be in this group if you are investing in Kajabi. So everybody who's in there is investing money per month to basically be inside of this group. So if and when you decide to become a Kajabi hero and join the community, definitely get inside of that Facebook group because there is so much help and useful information and amazing people to network with inside that community. So there you have it. Those are my 5 reasons why Kajabi is the best online business building tool that you can invest in if you are a coach, content creator, or service provider wanting to share your knowledge online. If you haven't tried out Kajabi yet, do consider checking out my link down below. It'll tell you everything you need to know. profityourknowledge.com/Kajabi. And let me know down in a comment which one of these stood out to you. Do you have anything that you would add to this? I'd love to hear your thoughts in a comment below this video. I hope this was helpful and insightful for you, and I will see you in the next one.